A very good morning, everyone, and a warm welcome to CMAI Sure EcoStitch Sustainability Conclave. EcoStitch is where sustainability is not just discussed, it is demonstrated through proof, partnerships, and practical pathways. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin the inauguration. I request our respected dignitaries to kindly join us on stage. May I invite Mr. Santosh Kataria, President, CMAI. May I invite Mr. Ankur Gadia, Vice President, CMAI. May I invite Mr. Naveen Sainani, Honorable General Secretary, CMAI, Chairman, ESG, CMAI. May I invite Mr. Rahul Mehta, Chief Mentor, CMAI. May I invite Mr. Naresh Tyagi, Chief Sustainability Officer, ABFRL. May I invite Mr. Manmohan Singh, Group Executive Vice President and CMAO, Birla Cellulose. May I invite Ms. Darshana Gajare, Head of Sustainability, Lakme Fashion Week, Sure Circular Design Challenge. May I invite Mr. Sanjay Shukla, Team Leader, Triberg, Founding Member, Brands and Sourcing Leaders Association, BSL. May I invite Mr. Parvinder Kadian, Chairman, Global Alliance for Textile Sustainability Council, GATS. Ladies and gentlemen, a very special warm welcome to our chief guest, the Honorable Textile Commissioner, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, Mrs. Varunda Manohar Desai. May I also invite on stage Mr. Ajay Bhattacharjee and Mr. Anand Gadeja. Ma'am, we are honored by your presence. May I now request Honorable President CMAI, Mr. Santosh Kataria, to deliver his welcome address.
Good morning, everyone. It is my indeed pleasure and honor to be here to welcome all of you. Today, respected guests, leaders from various brands and retail, exporters, MSMEs, innovators, development partners, and the sustainability ecosystem. On behalf of CMAI, welcome to the Sure EcoStitch Sustainability Conclave alongside our CMAI Fab Show. Today, I want to start by speaking directly to the heart of Indian apparel and textile, our manufacturers, especially our small and mid-sized units. Because when the world talks about India as a sourcing destination, it is not talking about one company. It is talking about an ecosystem. It is talking about lakhs of factories, job creators, and clusters that together make India what it is. And this is why EcoStitch matters. The world has changed, so has sourcing. Global sourcing is entering a new era. Earlier, business was won by price and speed. Today, price and speed still matter, But the third factor has arrived, and it is non-negotiable: trust. Trust means trust to deliver on time, trust to show traceability with proof, trust to supply circular material and manage waste responsibility, trust to integrate it all as a one-stop solution. A message for small manufacturers: you are not late, you are essential. Many MSMEs think, will I be left behind because I don't have big budgets or big terms? Why do I create an additional expenses? Let me say this clearly: India cannot become sustainable without MSMEs. If MSME is upgraded, India upgrades. If MSME remain unsupported, India competitiveness weakens. And the good news is sustainable is not only about big capital investment. EcoStitch is designed to showcase, prove, recognize, and inspire our industry. Why CMI is cutting EcoStitch with Shure and GATS? CMI has always been an industry platform that connects capability to opportunity. We know our industry does not need more speeches. It needs solutions that can be adopted, suppliers that can be trusted, and linkage that leads to business. That is why EcoStitch was envisaged as an implementation first platform with sustainability and circularity showcases, real supply chain linkage, panels that produce practical takeaways, and awards that recognize proof, not marketing. In this Shure bring brand and retailer commitment. CMI brings scale, industry reach, and the ability to convert dialogue into action. GATS brings the circularity and sustainability ecosystem integration. India's advantage: we can lead, not follow. India is not starting from zero. Our clusters have shown what is possible, but now we must move from some leaders doing it to the ecosystem adopting it. And we must aspire higher, not only to be world's factory, but to build world-class Indian brands. India lead innovation in materials and circularity, and a reputation that says India delivers quality, speed, and proof. My invitation today to brands: engage deeper with your supplier, share transition pathways, and reward them with long-term partnership. To manufacturer, use the platform to learn, connect, and take the next practical step. Do not underestimate your role. The future of global sourcing will be decided by who upgrade fastest. Friends, this was something which I need to tell you. Here many people and very many stalwarts from the sustainability here. But मैं अपने MSMEs को ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि this is sustainability, circularity, upcycling, all these words are सुनने में बहुत बड़े लगते हैं, but this is nothing but, क्योंकि हमारा जो इंडियन जो ट्रेडिशन है, अगर हम 60-70 साल पहले अगर देखेंगे तो हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ने यही किया है, बट हम ये 50-60 सालों के अंदर में बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फास्ट फैशन हम इन चीज़ों को भूल गए हैं. बोलने के लिए तो सर्कुलरिटी है, बट सर्कुलरिटी इज़ नथिंग बट बिकॉज मुझे याद आ रहा है कि जब मैं कॉलेज में था, दैट टाइम वी यूज टू यूज़ आवर चाचा मामा, इनके कपड़े हम अल्टर करके पहनते थे, और बड़े सिस्टर के कपड़े छोटी सिस्टर, उसके बाद में मम्मी की साड़ी में से हम लोग ड्रेसेस बनाते थे. यही था अपना जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का, और उसके पहले हम लोग इस तरीके से, यही है सर्कुलरिटी. मेरे ख्याल से हम लोग इंडियन पीपल, अगर हम पूरे वर्ल्ड में देखेंगे तो मुझे लगता है कि सेविंग के मामले में इंडिया से बड़ा कोई नहीं हो सकता है. एक रोड के ऊपर में जो स्वीपर रहेगा, वो स्वीपर के पास में भी 1-2 तोला सोना निकलेगा. और हम लोग जो सेविंग करते हैं वो सेविंग करते हैं हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए। जब हम इतना सोचते हैं हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दिस इज नथिंग बट टू थिंक अबाउट आवर जनरेशंस टू कम। क्योंकि अगर हम लोग जिस तरीके से अभी फास्ट फैशन में जा रहे हैं, तो हम लोग हमारी धरती, नदी, नाले, समुंदर, हमारा एनवायरनमेंट, हम बहुत कुछ डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहे हैं। और हो सकता है कि आने वाले जनरेशन के लिए एक पानी के लिए भी है ना हमको तरसना पड़ेगा। पीने के पानी की तो बात छोड़ो, तो हम डाइंग के लिए कहाँ से यूज करेंगे? पानी भी इतना महंगा हो जाएगा। जबकि मुझे लग रहा है कि अभी हमको यहाँ पर ये नेस्को में भी कितना महंगा पानी लेना पड़ रहा है, वो शायद सबको पता ही है। तो बस I just want to say on a closing remarks, EcoStitch is not a one-day event for photos. It is a signal of where the industry is going. Let us make this conclave the place where India moves. From intent to implementation, from compliance to competitiveness, and from being a sourcing option to being the world's most trusted sourcing destination. Thank you, and I wish the EcoStitch conclave a powerful beginning. Thank you.
May I now request Honorable General Secretary CMAI and Chairman ESG Mr. Naveen Sainani to make his presentation.
Welcome, friends. I'm very happy to see a full crowd, and I think so if somebody can help provide some chairs to the gentlemen who are standing at the back. Friends, this is the first CMI Sure EcoStitch Sustainability Conclave, and in CMAI and Sure, we are very eager to, work on sustainability, and you know about Sure beforehand. So I have a small presentation for you. So basically, the Sure objectives. So develop a complete understanding of the garment being currently produced by our brand. So there are around 16 big brands which have signed this Sure resolution, and then develop a suitable sourcing policy for consistently utilizing certified raw material. And third is make the right decision about how, where, and what we source across. Fourth is communicate our sustainability initiatives effectively to consumers. So basically, this is what our 5 resolutions in Sure are. How many of you receive an ESG questionnaire from a buyer in the past 6 months that you couldn't fully answer? So basically, this is going on increasing, that basically all the brands, the corporates are going towards ESG compliances. So the world has already decided, like 2027 EU digital product passport. Every garment now needs a traceability identity from fiber to shelf. And this is live today. Global buyer scorecard, and then BRSR mandatory reporting. India can win the next decade. Recycling and circular know-how, integrated denim and fiber to fashion strength, retail plus digital demand engine, MSME agile plus large-scale anchoring. India has both entrepreneur clusters for flexibility and large enterprises that can deliver proof, process, and volume. What India must do next? Scale apparel capacity, build proof infrastructure, create global Indian brands, upgrade the narrative. And then we have the sustainability approach, make progress visible, showcase products, materials, technology, and supply chain proof, not abstract promises. Recognize real doers, celebrate the large and small players already doing the hard work of transition on the ground, which we are going to recognize leaders of this industry tonight with awards also, and connect the ecosystem, bring brands, manufacturers, recyclers, service providers, and institutes into one implementation platform, create market pull. CMI support to you. CMI Shore Sustainability Awards launching today. The CEOs who led deserve to be seen. Winners who are referred in buying conversations. This is your credibility on record. Green Finance Connects. Thank you.
May I now request Mr. Santosh Kataria to kindly felicitate our chief guest. Mr. Rahul Mehta, I would like you to join. May I now request Mr. Ankur Gadia to kindly felicitate Dr. Naresh Tyagi. May I now request Mr. Naveen Sainani to kindly facilitate Mr. Manmohan Singh. May I now request Mr. Rahul Mehta to kindly facilitate Darshana Gajari. Now, ladies and gentlemen, join me in applauding the two men who have envisioned and encapsulated the show together. It gives me a great pleasure to request Mr. Naveen Sainani to felicitate Mr. Parvinder Kadian. the Honorable Textile Commissioner to deliver the inaugural keynote and formally open the Shore EcoStitch Sustainability Conclave. I would now like to request Mr. Sanjay Shuklaji from founding member Brands and Sourcing Leader Association BSL to please come on stage. I would like to call on Mr. Ajay Bhattacharjee and Mr. Anand to felicitate. Now requesting the Honorable Textile Commissioner to deliver the inaugural keynote and formally open the Shore EcoStitch Sustainability Conclave.
So, thank you so much. Good afternoon to all of you. The sustainability champions on the stage, the office bearers and members of CMAI and SURE. I am really very happy to be here as the chief guest. I've joined the office of Textile Commissioner 2 months back, and every day has been a learning for me. जब मैं सुबह आई हूँ अंदर hall number 6 के, I saw a very nice honeybee at the entrance. So it reminded me of my NADT days. I am from the Indian Revenue Service, Income Tax. तो जब हम लोग अपने academy में गए, so the first thing which we learned is to be like a honeybee. जैसे टैक्स भी आपको लेना है, निकालना है, तो इट शुड बी लाइक द हनी बी, जिसमें लोगों को ये ना लगे कि आप पेनफुली उसको टैक्स ले रहे हो. तो यहाँ पे भी मैंने ये देखा कि हनी बी इज़ द बिगेस्ट आई थिंक चैम्पियन ऑफ सस्टेनेबिलिटी. क्यों? एक तो ऑल द वर्ल्ड्स आई थिंक 1/3 फूड प्रोडक्शन इज ड्यू टू पॉलिनेशन, जो कि हनी बी करता है, बट वी नेवर कम टू नो कि हनी बी बैकग्राउंड में इतना सारा काम कर रहा है एंड इट डज सो वेल कि नेचर को कभी भी हार्म नहीं करता है. वी नेवर सी कि हनी बी के वजह से कोई प्लांट मर गया, बट इट विल एक्सट्रैक्ट द पॉलन, इट विल डू द पॉलिनेशन एंड वी गेट फूड फ्रॉम दैट. तो उनसे सीखने की ज़रूरत है कि वो चुपचाप बिना नेचर को हार्म पहुंचाए कैसे अपना काम कर रहे हैं. सेकेंडली व्हाट वी सी दैट हनी बी का जो पूरा इकोसिस्टम है, इट शोज सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी, क्योंकि उनके हाइव के जो प्रोडक्ट्स रहते हैं लाइक हनी, बी वैक्स, प्रोपोलिस, ऑल कैन बी रीयूज्ड. तो कभी हम लोग ये नहीं देखते कि हनी बी कुछ वेस्ट निकाल रहा है अपने हाइव से. सो it is making all the products that can be reused. Thirdly, it is zero waste and reusable, और सब लोग साथ में मिलके काम करते हैं. It is collectively they work towards achieving that goal. So we all should, अरे एक छोटा सा एक इंसेक्ट है, उससे सीखने के लिए क्या क्या नहीं है हम लोग के पास, जो आज हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, इट इज़ ऑलरेडी देयर इन नेचर. जैसे इन्होंने बताया कि व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू सी आवर मदर्स एंड ग्रैंड मदर्स, मुझे अभी भी याद है हमारे जो कपड़े होते थे, एक तो मैं बीच की हूँ तो मेरे बड़ी बहन के कपड़े मैं पहनती थी, बहुत खुशी से पहनती थी. एंड उसके बाद जब वो पास ऑन होते थे, मेरी छोटी बहन भी पहनती थी, उसके बाद उसका वी कॉल इट गोदड़ी, जो हम लोग ओढ़ते हैं, वो सारे क्लोथ्स को दे के एक वो गोदड़ी बन के एक वार्म इट यूज़ टू बी, तो हम लोग उसको विंटर्स में वी यूज़ टू टेक दैट गोदड़ी. और जब वो गोदड़ी भी अपना टाइम ख़त्म कर देती थी, उसके बाद उसके रग्स बन जाते थे, उसके डस्टिंग पैनल्स बन जाते थे. तो जब तक वो एक्चुअली पूरा यूज़ से बाहर नहीं हो जाता था, उसको कैसे तो करके हम लोग सर्कुलरली उसको यूज़ करते थे. आजकल का हम लोग का प्रॉब्लम है होर्डिंग. वी डोंट वांट टू पार्ट विथ एनीथिंग. होर्डिंग में ये होता है, हम लोग होर्ड भी करते हैं, उसको यूज़ भी नहीं करते. इट इज़ जस्ट लॉक्ड इन आवर कबर्ड्स. तो आजकल मैं देखती हूँ जो यंगस्टर्स है, देयर इज़ अ शिफ्ट. लाइक फर्स्ट वी यूज टू फोकस ऑन द मंत्र ऑफ विन विन. हमारे दोनों के बीच में अगर प्रॉफिट है तो वी यूज टू डू दैट. बट नाउ देयर इज़ अ शिफ्ट फ्रॉम विन विन टू विन विन विन. वी ऑल्सो सी कि एनवायरमेंट पे उसका क्या इफेक्ट हो रहा है. सो वी हैव टू सी इकोलॉजी, इकोनॉमी और सोशोलॉजी को हम लोग को बैलेंस करके चलना है, उसको ऑप्टिमाइज करके चलना है. सो दैट इज़ वॉट व्हेन आई केम टुडे आई जस्ट गॉट रिमाइंडेड ऑफ माई NADT डेज कि हनी भी कितने प्यार से टैक्स जो है एज जो है अपना हनी एक्सट्रैक्ट करती थी, वैसे ही हम लोगों को वी हैव टू डू manufacturing so that we don't do any harm to the nature earth. और आज का जो आपका टॉपिक भी है, it is eco stitch. You stitch with that term in mind that it should not harm the ecology. So it is very important. मैंने बहुत कुछ मैं लिख के लाई थी. So I will like to tell you कि हम लोग का जो इंडस्ट्री का स्केल है ऑफ द टेक्सटाइल एंड एपरल मार्केट, इट लाइक contributes 2 to 3% of India's GDP, and also it contributes 11% to the industrial output. It is the second largest employer in the country, जिसमें 45 million people are employed. So it is a very important sector to our country. Also, in this sector, our Honorable Prime Minister has given the vision of 5F, that is from farm to fiber, fiber to fabric, fabric to fashion, and fashion to foreign, which is the cornerstone of Atmanirbhar Bharat for our sector. और इसको और सुदृढ़ बनाने के लिए ये यूनियन बजट में we have 5 integrated components which deal with farm and fiber, that is the National Fiber Mission. Then with factory, we have the team which is upgradation of your plant and machinery. In fashion, you have the Ecotech scheme which deals with sustainability and circular economy. And for foreign, we have the FTAs which have been signed with UK and EU, which are opening a galore to the textile industry. तो ये government के तरफ से recently we have done lot of policy interventions on QCO. The inverted GST structure has been made right. Road tap और Rostel जो है उसके benefits हम लोगों ने increase कर दिए हैं for a certain time period. And latest abhi kali there's a notification which has come out which grants nil duty on the key textile chemicals and petrochemicals for till 30th June. The import duty has been reduced to nil. And also we have the PLI scheme and also the PM Mitra Parks, which also are very attractive to attract investments in the textile sector. So I would urge everyone कि sustainability is not only a word now, it has to be a core business strategy. हम लोग बहुत सोचते हैं कि सस्टेनेबिलिटी हम लोग इक्वलाइज करते हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा कॉस्टली है. अगर हम लोग को सस्टेनेबल होना है तो हम लोग को मॉनेटरली ज़्यादा पैसे देने पड़ेंगे, तभी हम लोगों का ब्रांड जो है जो है उसकी कॉस्ट बढ़ जाती है when we adopt sustainable practices. But it is only seeing the win-win part of it. If we have to pass over this nature earth, what we have got, to our successive generations, ये थोड़ा सा पार्ट विन विन से हम लोग को विन 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 पे शिफ्ट होना पड़ेगा. सो आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी दैट वी हैव a day-long conclave and conference today where all of the industry leaders, all the stakeholders, you would be brainstorming and putting in your ideas of how to make strides to a more sustainable and ecological environment and how to make India more Atmanirbhar. क्योंकि बाहर जो है circularity, sustainability are the buzzwords, and if we have to make good use of the FTAs and promote our exports, we will have to integrate sustainability as a core business strategy. जो भी means I have just joined 2 months back, and I would like to urge all of you कि policy तभी बनती है when we have data. So I would like to urge all of you to file your TSRS returns, जो अभी हम लोगों ने simplify कर दिए हैं. आपके annual returns जब तक industries और stakeholders नहीं भरेंगे तब तक हम लोग के पास data नहीं रहेगा on which the policies can be made. So to make good policies to benefit you, we also need the help of data. So I urge all of you to file your returns also in time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your guidance and for setting the direction for the industry. I would like to request Ma'am Roop Rashi ji, Mr. Santosh Kataria ji, and Mr. Rahul Mehta to felicitate the Honorable Textile Commissioner, Ministry of Textile, Government of India, Mrs. Varunda Manohar Desai. Can we please have a group photo? All the dignitaries, please come ahead. Thank you to all our dignitaries for joining us for the inauguration. May I now request the dignitaries to kindly take their seats. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin the conclave sessions and panel discussions. Our first session will start shortly. Thank you.